Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the single person who must get through and confirming their number. You need their exact contact saved. Once done, make sure location and general notifications are allowed so emergency features operate. Now open your Contacts app, find or create that entry, and prepare to modify calling and message permissions. You're doing this so calls will override silence when it matters, not because the phone will ring for everyone. You now grant the contact an exception. On iPhone, tap Edit on the contact, choose ringtone and text tone, then enable emergency bypass for both calls and texts, so sounds bypass silent and do not disturb. On Android, mark the contact as a favorite, then open settings sound do not disturb exceptions, and allow calls and messages from favorites or starred contacts. Be sure repeat call is on so a second call within 3 minutes also rings. This ensures the phone breaks silence only for that person. Finish by assigning a loud ringtone and unique vibration so you detect the call instantly. Once set, put the phone on silent or do not disturb and have your emergency contact call once, then again within 3 minutes to trigger repeat call exceptions. You should hear it. If nothing rings, check that emergency bypass or do not disturb exceptions are actually enabled, verify the contact number, and reboot the phone. Also confirm any carrier or third-party app settings aren't blocking priority calls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.